Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is 1MD3, tell and write time in hours and half hours using analog and digital clocks. Our essential question is, how do you tell time to the hour on a clock that only has an hour hand? And our I can statement for today is, I can tell time to the hour. Let's look in our Go Math book and let's start with Listen and Draw on page 389. Now right here we have a line, and on this line we have numbers, and some of the numbers are missing. We start at 1, 2, what comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what's missing? 9. Very good. There's a 9. 10, 11, 12. Now, we have this figure here. It's a green circle, and we're told to start here. So let's start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And what comes after 11? 12. Uh-oh. Let's see. There we go. 12. Okay. So let's move on to our next page, page 390. What does this clock show? Well, our shorthand is called our hour hand on the clock. The hour hand points to the 3. It is 3 o'clock. This is how we write 3 o'clock. 3, a colon, which is 2 dots, 1, 2, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 zeros, 0, 0. That is how we write 3 o'clock. So let's practice with the rest of these clocks.
Good morning, St. David.
All right, let's see. This is the shorthand. Our hour hand is pointing to the 9, so it is 9 o'clock. We write a 9, our colon, and 2 zeros to show 9 o'clock. All right, our shorthand is our hour hand is pointing to the 1, so we write a 1, a colon, and 2 zeros to show it is 1 o'clock. This is an 11. This is our shorthand, our hour hand, so it is 11 o'clock. Write an 11, our colon, and 2 zeros to show it is 11 o'clock. Our shorthand is pointing towards the 6, so it is 6 o'clock. 6, colon, and our 2 zeros. Our shorthand is pointing to the 7. Remember that shorthand is an hour hand. 7 o'clock. 7, our colon, 0, 0, 7 o'clock. All right. Our shorthand is pointing towards the 5. That means it is 5 o'clock. We write our 5, our colon, and 2 zeros to show that it is 5 o'clock. Now on your own, you're going to complete numbers 7 through 15. Remember, the shorthand is the hour hand, and we're going to see where the hour hand is pointing to, and we're going to write it correctly. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.